Well, this is a great way to start the video. And we got the twins out here. Got a whole lot of cops right here. Look, he's getting my man's plate, bro. Well, this is a great way to start the video. We got 2 cops. We have 1 undercover cop, and then we have Harris County Sheriff right here. So I am at another car meet. I like literally pulled up right now and the cops are already here. Hopefully the show goes on. But anyways, I have the Big BTV merch. I don't know if y'all noticed it in the last video, but I'm gonna go ahead and mention it in this video. But I do got some Big BTV merch. I have a full website up and running already, so if you wanna go shop bigbeetv.com, I'm gonna have the link in the description below. It's gonna be the first link, all right? First link in the description below. Go ahead and shop Big BTV. I got bags, I got tank tops, I got t-shirts. I have a cool little website, man, so y'all go peep it. Without further ado, everybody, let's get straight to the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. And we got the twins out here. I don't know which one I like more, the blue one or the mint green. What's up, how you doing? Chilling? What's up, man? How you doing?
What's up, bro?
Chilling, chilling. They're kicking everybody out.
They is?
Yeah.
Where everybody going? They go to that parking lot, look.
Oh, the next door parking lot?
I doubt that's gonna work.
Well, he said the manager don't want us here.
That's crazy. How long you been up here?
Like 10 minutes?
I came up here early, but nobody was here. So I had left, and then I came back, and it's all this. I might go over there too then.
So I just talked to the cop, and I don't want to put him on camera because I don't want to make it seem like I'm recording him from some weird reason, but he said that the manager called, they don't want us here. He said as long as the manager doesn't call, like if we're at a parking lot and they don't call or anything like that, then they don't mind. They don't mind us parking and chilling and stuff like that, but they do get calls, so they have to do their job. So looks like we have to find somewhere else. Oh, got a whole lot of cops right here. Damn, man. Crazy when you pull up somewhere and they shut it down as soon as you pull up.
Is that Big BTV, bro?
Hell yeah.
What's going on, man? Today we out in the turbo Miata.
The what?
The turbo Miata, bro.
Damn, got cute little eyeballs on there. Look, he's getting my man's plate, bro. Look, my man is so extra. Why are you gonna be taking pictures of people's plates? Hell yeah, pulled up to the next location. This one's by a Burger King, okay. Hell yeah. Hey, this Burger King looks nice, low key. I've never seen a nice Burger King like this before. Let's see how much the gas prices are today. We got 2.6, 2.9, and 3.2. Oh my God, man. Comment down below your gas prices in your city, in your state. Oh man, oh man. What's up, 4K Rax? So Sway, how you doing, man?
Good.
What'd you pull up in?
My Camaro.
That's you right there, what?
Hell yeah.
My boy got the Camaro one at lead with the matte black hood and everything. Cammed out or what?
Nah.
Nah, not yet?
Not yet. That one's cammed out.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's your twin right there. Let me get that real quick. Camaro could be you, boy. Hell yeah. Got a nice Mustang right here. Thing's clean. I like that. Got the red interior too. Damn, my boy pulled up in the indigo blue stamp pack. What's up, dude?
Buy the new merch, y'all. Buy his new merch.
Hell yeah, bro. I appreciate that.
I will walk you.
Say it with your chest, boy.
Hey, get this on camera. I will walk this kid. Get the back. It was.
Look at this tennis ball green Corvette 27. That thing sounds good. And we have this purple one falling right behind, which also sounds good. I like the plate, never sorry. That's the best whip here. Just in time, man. Domino's Pizza. Hell yeah. My boy just trying to get some gas. Come on, man. He trying to deliver pizzas, man. Everybody blocking the pump. Hey, man. Huge shout out to 7-Eleven for letting us host car meets over here. gonna be the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed it, remember to like, comment, subscribe, do what you wanna do. And if you like the video, please give it a fat thumbs up. It's highly appreciated. But yeah, guys, as always, I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.